Hey guys, welcome. This is the journey to getting the Prelude manual swapped and having it done in the vision that I've had. A lot of this video, it kind of got shot like towards December, Christmas time, so took a little bit to get it done, but we'll do it like if it's some lost footage and kind of get it more structured from there. But if you want to continue to follow the ride, you could follow me on social media. You could subscribe to the channel, and yeah, goal is to get it done by April. And yeah, just come on, we'll get this going. Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Gonzalo, and we are doing a manual swap in the Prelude. This has been something I've been wanting to do for a while. It's been since COVID that we've taken the motor and the trans out to get it all set up and do the swap, and it's something that I've wanted to do for years, and I don't know, now's the time. You're gonna follow us on this journey. We're gonna have friends and family involved, and I'm bringing you guys along for the ride too. And if you have any questions, if you have any ideas, I'd love to hear it. Yeah, this is gonna be a couple of weeks to a few months in the making. Hopefully we could get it done by April. This is probably gonna come out either late December or early January, but hey, we'll get this going. And yeah, so follow me. We'll get this all set up and we'll get this all going. Let's see how it goes. So let's get this all set up and let's get it going. And then there's Cisco. What up, bro? Look at this dude. I can check it, dude. He's got the best pro shops.
This one's yours.
Oh, for me?
Yeah.
Shit.
What's up?
And I do have the, what is it, the impact wrench and the, all that if we need it. If you want, we can grab that. Alright guys, so we're getting pretty far ahead. What up, baby?
Can you help me after you're done with this?
I got you. We got Cisco down here getting the subframe. Hopper's right here getting off the underneath the ABS.
Almost there, buddy.
Oh, back. So we can do that today. Cisco, how you feeling?
So far? I feel like a slate.
This guy.
Okay.
So, yep. I guess we'll cut back when we're actually getting it prepped for paint. kind of had to head out, but I appreciate all the work that they put in. I'm more than happy. Hunter, how do you like it?
It looks good. Hopefully we can get another coat on next week or so. We'll be set, buddy.
Alright guys, well, from here, yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do next. Gonna take a break for winter vacations for everybody. But yeah, I think we're gonna go with taking the manual trans out of the parts car, taking most of the parts that we need, cutting the hole in the firewall, and then yeah, just get it swapped over from there. But again, hey, I appreciate anyone that's watching, and hey, let's get it going.